How to fix error code 279 Roblox Mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix error code 279 Roblox Mobile. To do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. The things you should know before you have this issue. Now, error code 279 in Roblox is usually caused by an internet connection issue. So you could actually try reconnecting or check your internet stability. So go to your settings. Here you want to come to network and internet and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. You could try restarting or changing or switching over to a cellular data and see that works or not. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could also try resetting your network. For that, you want to go to the settings, and here you simply want to come to system, and then you have this reset options. Come here. You want to go to this reset mobile network settings and try doing this and see that works or not. The other thing what you could also do is you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be an issue, so you go to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Roblox and see that works or not. So these are some of the ways in order to fix your Roblox error code 279. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.